State Street Investment Management just launched a new money market ETF here on the New York Stock Exchange. Joining me now to share more is State Street's head of market structure strategy, Kim Russell, and head of DMM floor trading for Citadel Securities, Pete Giacchi. Welcome.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.
All right, Kim, so break down this ETF for us.
So State Street Investment Management is well known here at the exchange for democratizing investing through ETFs. But what you may not know is that for decades now, we've been delivering cash solutions, money market funds, to many of the world's most sophisticated institutional investors. And today's product launch with MMK is all about making that expertise from our cash team, which manages approximately $600 billion in assets, accessible to all kinds of investors looking for ways to manage their cash with an emphasis on income, liquidity, and flexibility.
And Pete, what is the role of a DMM in launching an ETF? Does it follow a traditional price discovery process?
It does. And so first, we're super excited to be partnering with a firm like State Street. This is an exciting opportunity for ETF issuers to also see that there's optionality for the NYSE Classic platform, where the DMM model can be impactful, specifically around the auctions. So if you think about when you mentioned price discovery, the key for ETF issuers is securing those openings and closings, especially around NAV, and using NAV as a tool to make sure that these products open at the right price. Having the NYSE Classic platform gives a second layer of security for issuers to know that these products have some sense of being able to be opened around NAV.
All right, and why launch this ETF on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange?
It's really exciting that this is our first ETF listed on the New York Stock Exchange. And first of all, it's an expansion of the relationship, long-standing relationship that we have with the New York Stock Exchange, having partnered together to create the first US ETF in 1993 with SPY, and having over 140 State Street ETFs listed on NYSE ARCA today. NYSE is separate and distinct and unique from NYSE ARCA and other electronic, fully automated venues in that it operates with a hybrid model that combines electronic efficiency with an element of human oversight. And it's that feature of the NYSE model, the human element, that we think could optimize the client experience for this product, MMK, and help the product to compete effectively with traditional money market funds. And we're thrilled that Citadel Securities is serving as designated market maker for MMK on the New York Stock Exchange.
And Pete, the stock is open. It is trading. Is your job done?
No, this is just the beginning of the job for the DMM and the beginning of the relationship with the floor, the New York Stock Exchange Citadel Securities floor team and State Street. We monitor the trading every day. We'll be updating the team on any potential flows we see, any liquidity we see in them. And then it really is our job, as Kim so eloquently demonstrated, to provide liquidity in these products where they're needed, to have that human intervention to step in. And when there is a need for liquidity to be put into the market, to have the ability to use our balance sheet to come in and cushion some of those moves.
And Kim, where can investors go to learn more about this ETF?
So for more on this ETF and many other insights from State Street Investment Management, go to our website. It's statestreet.com/IM.
All right, Kim Russell from State Street, Pete Giacchi from Citadel Securities. Thank you so much for joining us on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange.
Thank you so much.